Go back to a broken loop in Python. There is two different options for leaving a loop in Python. Continue, which brings you back to the beginning of the loop, and break, which is like a light switch and it cuts off the loop for the rest of the time that the script runs. My problem is I have a while true loop, and I want to be able to break out of it and then return to it at a later time in the code. Is this possible? If so, how can I do it? So far I have something like this. Is there a way to do this, like an unbreak or something? Sorry, as I am new to programming, it is my first year in computer science and I am just starting to learn Python.
You could put the first loop in a function.
You should simply wrap the loops in functions.
You can't break out of a loop and then return to it. Well, you possibly can, but that will require the use of the infamous Godot keyword. You should avoid that at all costs. Typically, when you want to do something, stop doing it, and then do it again later, you put that something into a function or procedure. Then every time you want to do something you call, or run, the function. Then you can repeat the some things in any order you want.